Bonjour à tous, on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo retour de courses et idées repas pour la semaine. Je voulais commencer par souhaiter un très bon carême à toutes les personnes qui le font. Je voulais aussi en profiter pour vous dire qu'il n'y aura pas de vidéo la semaine prochaine, je ne vais pas être disponible pour pouvoir en faire. On se retrouvera donc le dimanche suivant. Alors pour les courses, je vais commencer par la partie Lidl. J'ai acheté 2 yaourts grecs, du lait écrémé, j'en ai besoin pour 2 recettes. 1 litre de lait demi-écrémé, je vais en avoir besoin pour une recette et le reste me servira pour faire des crêpes. De la farine, il ne m'en reste plus beaucoup et j'aime bien en avoir d'avance. De l'eau de compote pomme mangue. En termes de fruits, j'ai pris des pommes, des kiwis et des poires. J'ai pris 3 de chaque et 2 lots de bananes. Chez G Frais, j'ai pris 3 oranges, 1,5 kg d'oignons, un plateau de 20 œufs, 2 carottes, 2 salades feuilles de chêne. Et j'ai également pris une baguette à la partie boulangerie. C'est tout ce que j'ai pris chez G Frais. Alors, il ne me restait pas grand-chose cette semaine. J'avais 29,38 € pour finir mon mois. Je voulais prendre du beurre à la découpe chez G Frais, mais je n'en ai pas trouvé. J'ai donc fait demi-tour et je suis retournée chez Lidl pour en prendre. Comme il me restait à peu près 5 €, j'en ai pris 2. Ça m'a coûté 4,98 €. En milieu de semaine, je suis passée par la gare du Nord. Je me suis donc arrêtée pour prendre de l'ail. D'ailleurs, pour les personnes que ça intéresse qui habitent en région parisienne, ils font l'ail à 2,99 €. Quand j'ai l'occasion de m'y arrêter, j'en prends parce que ça vaut vraiment le coup. Alors, avec l'ail, j'ai dépassé évidemment un peu mon budget puisque j'ai dépensé 31,41 € cette semaine. Ça me fait donc un surplus de 2,03 €. Je n'ai pas acheté grand-chose parce qu'il me restait pas mal de ce que j'avais acheté les 2 dernières semaines, notamment de la viande et du poisson que je vais intégrer dans mon menu de cette semaine. Je vais vous laisser avec la suite de la vidéo avec quelques recettes que j'ai pu réaliser cette semaine en espérant que ça vous plaise. Et on se retrouve mardi pour les recettes détaillées. À très bientôt. Au revoir.
Recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Come seek me out.
Like sunshine and moonlight, like warm and bright, like pillows We're like Jekyll and Hyde, we're like Batman and Bruce Wayne. We're like fire and water, we're like sugar and salt. We're like everything and nothing at all. But when we are apart, I bleed and I starve, and I miss your sweet, sweet touch. Is it when you are away, I keep wishing that you stay. I can't live without you by my side. We're like pillows and pavement, we're like saved and spent. You're like $10,000, I'm like nickels and cents. You're like fresh spring water on a hot summer's day. You're like a beautiful sundown when daylight fades.
By the road with an ache in my head, in the wrong side of town, left you sleeping alone in your bed. I guess I did let you down. And I wake up stayed and out too late, trying to start over new. What I wanted to be never came to me. I've lost my way to you. I remember the words that you said when I pledged you my time. You would never get out of my head. You would always be mine. And I wake up, stay, and out too late, trying to start over new. What I wanted to be never came to me. I've lost my way to you. By the road with an ache in my head, in the wrong side of town, left you sleeping alone in your bed. Guess I did let you down.
Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not their mess. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight, and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. Stop, just hold on a minute. This part is nearly finished. You'll get a fresh start. So count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. It won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sunday.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah.